This is Sanbana and Pinzeng Vusele. Welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment, guys. From the beginning of Mampita and Babe Sotume's marriage, Mampita's mother never approved their marriage. She never liked Babe Sotume because she claimed that she was a bad influencer on her son. Even that time when Babe Sotume she was pregnant, Mampita's mother made a video saying, "Oh, Babe Sotume, she's not pregnant. She is just faking the pregnancy so that she can trap Mampita into their marriage." These two never see an eye in eye. There was a time where Upesotum also opened a case against Umama Gamampinsa, guys. They say they bring people together, but it seems like Umampinsa's death is making the situation worse. His mother and his wife, according to report, Umampinsa's mother and his sibling were denied access to see his son, his son corpse, guys, as his mother went to see to confirm it was really true, it was he's normal, because according to say the mother saw on the television that his son is normal, guys. So she was denied. It is also alleged. Even the sister made a statement saying they don't know what they did with Babe Sotumo, guys. It seems like they two continue fighting. So within an hour, Babe Sotumo did release a statement on his Facebook account. The statement goes like this, guys: social media is social media. Everyone is allowed to say whatever they want. We cannot stop anyone, but we are family of integrity and we don't entertain anything. People are saying so many things, but as a family, we know the real Mampinsa. We as a family, we know who the real babes is. So we know what we know, guys. So whatever is out there in the media, we're not gonna entertain us. So we ask South African to respect, which is mourning at the same time, guys. So that's what the family wanted, guys. Babe Sotume seems like she's not denying Umama Kabampicha to see what is